Hi everyone! I'm here to show you how one simple photo can turn into a talking video in seconds. Pretty cool, right? The video you just saw was created in minutes using AI Reel. And here's the best part. One subscription unlocks every model, every template, and every feature. No hidden costs, and no extra charges. You get access to powerful engines like Nano, Veo 3, and Runway, all in one platform. AI Reel isn't just fast, it's versatile. You can generate videos, images, actions, and creative ideas on both Android and the iOS. I've added the installation link in the description so you can grab it right now. Let's talk about cost effectiveness. AI Reel offers flexible subscription plans, weekly, monthly, and annual. The monthly plan gives you extended access at a great value, while the annual plan is ideal for users who want unlimited creation, continuous updates, and maximum cost performance. With one subscription, all models or templates are unlocked, which means you never need to pay extra for any feature. When you open AI Reel, the interface is clean, simple, and intuitive. You'll find 4 main features: text to video, image to video, frames to video, and image to image. Today, we'll focus on text to video and image to video, the 2 features that generate the most attention and engagement. These are the models included in AI Reel. Nano, cinematic and stylized videos with rich detail. Veo 3, bright, vibrant, eye-catching visuals. Runway, professional, marketing-focused videos with a polished look. Reading these models ensures your content stands out, whether for social media, marketing, or personal projects text to video. Using AI Reel, I type the prompt: a sprawling, futuristic metropolis of night, with flying cars weaving between neon-lit skyscrapers. Click Generate, watch the processing animation, and here's the result. Notice the vibrant lights, smooth motion, and cinematic depth. It's a huge step up. For the second text-to-video example, I type a magical forest with towering trees covered in glowing bioluminescent plants, sparkling streams. I select the Veo 3 model and generate the video. The second video is lively, visually stunning. Image to video. I upload a landscape photo and enter the prompt. Transform this photo into a cinematic sunset scene with vibrant orange and pink skies, soft clouds drifting, birds flying across the horizon, gentle wind moving tree leaves, smooth camera movement, ultra-realistic lighting, highly detailed. I click Expand for me to optimize the prompt automatically, then click Generate. The resulting video is fluid, vibrant, and ready to share. For the second example, I upload a city skyline image and enter. Turn this city skyline into a futuristic metropolis at night. Again, I click Expand for me and then Generate. The second video is dynamic, colorful, and attention-grabbing. AI Reel also provides a rich library of featured modes and templates. You can select from Nano Edit, Elevator Kiss, trending social media formats, and other pre-designed templates. These allow you to start creating instantly, customize your videos, and produce professional content with minimal effort. For example, let me quickly show you the process. I'll upload a photo, enter a short idea prompt, a romantic scene of a man and woman sharing a gentle kiss at sunset, warm golden light shining, ocean waves in the background, cinematic slow motion with soft focus and dreamy atmosphere, and then click on Generate. AI Reel processes it in just a few seconds, and here's the final effect: smooth, dynamic, and ready to share. Now let's try the Ride My Porsche tent hunt. This one is all about luxury vibes and premium lifestyle headings. I'll just upload a photo, and hit generate. And here's the result. In just seconds, AI converts a regular photo into a high-end luxury video perfect for Instagram Reels or lifestyle brand. This way, even if you start with something simple, AI Reel instantly transforms it into professional-grade content. Use AI Reel to create fun, creative, and professional videos anytime, anywhere, and that's a complete tour of AI Reel. Remember, one subscription unlocks all models and templates, giving you incredible value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Start creating your own amazing AI videos today. It's that simple.